Oh, macaroni.
Ito kung mainit, ang pandesal. Oh,
Sarap, pandesal.
Joe. Yeah, Joe.
Oh, tita, sorry.
Big bread.
Ano? Ano ba?
Oh, it's against the belly.
Kompleto nga eh. Si Elmer ano? Ito. Yan. Oh, dito manonood. Dito pala. Okay. Na later na. Ako?
Anak, sit down na din. O dito ka kaya, o dito. Dito ka lang tayo. Dito ka lang asawa.
I recorded this at my house.
Yan. Dad, dito ka, o.
Dito ako. Para,
O dito na.
yan. Nagipagkwento.
Ito siya sa mga guys.
Hey, no, Roy. It's for 50 minutes. You get 200.
Dumating kami dito, na 9 years old kami panganay ko.
10. Kaya na.
9. And then si, ito bunso,
5.
4.
Ito talaga Pinoy na Pinoy. Tingnan mo naman. Pang Filipino flag, hindi American flag eh.
Oo.
Huwag na lang si, ano, si Duterte.
Oo, solid. Meron akong kasamang Duterte. Si board member.
Oo.
Tito Armand. Tito Armand.
Teacher Roy. Diba? Ano, kailan ang uwi nyo?
Tomorrow po.
Oo.
Alas 12 medya. Flight ko.
Oo.
Naano po nga si ano ko mga katitya
Kung hindi niya matin, sabi ko kayo mga beng. Oh, yeah.
Gamitin lang po.
Gamitin ni,
Anong oras?
8.
Sa umaga?
Oo. Kaya nga. Pagka ako, pipili ka.
Thank you po. Gamitin mo yung kotse ni Mama.
Oo. Kasi sa akin, baka gitna lang tayo ng awitin.
Uy, saka mo ng Vegas.
Ang hirap mag-apply sa ano. Puro sa ako decline.
Friday.
Ito kung Thursday, Friday.
Ayun, wala tayo ng Friday.
Pero doon kami,
Ang hirap, nire-apply ko ulit eh. Puro sa ako deny.
Ako ba yung tagal?
Sunod ako. Sunod ako.
Kaya mo ng Friday.
Friday, inoff ko ng Monday. Oh, di ba?
So, dito sa yan? Okay.
ito, Hawaiian food.
Ay, ito beef.
Pork, beef, and chicken.
Para ka na rin nakasat sa Hawaii.
Japanese. Ang sabi ko Japanese kaya. Sabi ko,
Mama, sako po.
Yan ka na, tita.
Dito ka, ma. Ma, dito ka na.
Ano sila na ano eh. Mga amboys, ganyan.
Pizza.
Ako si Pacquiao.
Papa.
Actually,
Tumawag yung pamangkin namin, si Wen, kay Manoy.
Pansit?
Kasi nga nasa hospital si Papa eh, na hospital. Pina-IV ko,
Eh, ha,
kasi
iba.
nga natumba. Hindi ko makain masyado. Sabi ko baka kulang ang ano nito. Your problem! Sabi ko, ano ba yung hospital? Wala, ikaw pala ang kanyang mga ano. So, nung ano tumawag si Wen, kinabukasan, naka 24 hours. Ayaw na, gusto nang
sit over here.
sabi ba naman ni Wen ay, Lolo, Kuya, si Lolo. Sabi daw niya, putik, namatay si Papa. Sabi daw niya, kasi daw na ito naman si Wen, masyadong madrama ang kanyang pagkasabi. Ay, si Lolo.
Yung pala, AMA.
Yung pala, nagwawala si Papa, inawa yung doktor. At hindi daw siya gagaling doon. Wala na ito naman ang namin. At talag daw, ano away daw talaga.
Hindi.
Alam mo naman
Sabi
si
kay
Papa,
Michelle.
naninigarilyo yun. Gusto niyang ano.
Sabi ko may nicotine withdrawal yun.
Yeah. Kaya siya,
Kaya nagigil siya.
kasi visit kami sa mga pasyente
Ba't ako wala?
ng garilyo. Hindi, yung sa ano yun, yung...
Wala akong
Sinabihan ko si
alcohol
Wendy na
withdrawal.
mag-order ng patch. Kaya ang doktor daw ay once a day lang nag-round. Hindi wala na, the next day.
Sarap ng pansit ah. No?
Saupan.
Saupan talaga the best.
Hmm.
Kaya,
Hindi naman makulasa.
ito ba talaga kita? May ano sila kita ko rin.
Kami dyan sa may Cirilos. Yung kami
Yan,
nag-ano.
tayo kita.
Ha? Alin mo kayo ano?
Card lang.
Saupan?
Chowpan, card lang. Kasi parang fake lang na chowpan.
Ooh, Sally. The only green one.
No, not anymore. When she was first learning, yeah.
Or should I do
Yeah,
the sauce?
maybe this side, just one side. Koy, wala kang paso? Ngayon? Oh, okay.
Pero ako talaga, nag-extra lang ako nito.
Janet is Mediterranean food, salad, healthy.
How are you, honey? How's everything? Are you at, learning?
Yeah, it's my third day training.
How is it?
You started a new job?
It's so different, right?
Said or.
It's so different.
Oh wow.
The doctors are
Oh,
surgeons are very mean. That's just normal. Yes.
I don't know. I get everything and they get mad at me.
Well, later on.
Oh, you're supposed to go around.
You're starting here and going around sama-sama. That's one of the negatives. Matapang ang talaga mga surgeon. Kailangan matapang ka rin.
Kaya ito ang tapang niya, sabi niya. Ladies pa lang, hindi daw niya. Hindi rin. Pag ako yan, iiyak na ako.
Yeah.
Matapang niya.
Yeah, kailangan matapang ka.
Oh.
Remember where Michelle's when we went to Palapan? Remember when we
Yeah.
ate at the
Yeah, when we ate.
That's where they are from. Palapan.
So you guys always lived like in New York? Yeah, I remember them when they were here. Oh, really? Like a politician. Or just open that one up right there. The blazer. That's good.
You like Mediterranean food?
Yeah.
I love Mediterranean food.
You know Luna Girl?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's good. It's good. You bought this?
It is expensive. It was like $70.
You made it? Yeah. Right? That's not a plate. It's already like $2.
Ninong Nathan picked us up. We went to Capitol. We went to Pampanga first. And then we went to New York.
You went to China?
Yes.
Instead of Vegas?
After New York, we went to Vegas for Calapeñas. When you get the bread, you gotta have the bread.
Group of you guys that went?
Is that 2 weeks, Faye?
Yeah.
2 weeks? That's a lot, huh?
7 days.
Oh my gosh. That's a lot to do.
How many of you guys traveled here? We just had one yesterday.
Oh, from the buffet?
From Panini.
Oh, yeah, this is Panini.
Oh, this is Panini?
Panini
It's Panini Grill.
kebab.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys had yesterday.
Yes. And we had a takeout. Can't finish it.
Oh.
This Panini.
Yeah, this is like the one that you got from
No, this is in Surreal. Right near Island Pacific. Yeah, where I'm going to drive the car.
Kaya lang to, pero masarap.
Pero ate, which one is good?
Dito kami nung
I like that one.
Carson, right?
The LTX better.
Masarap.
It depends on how they cook it too.
Kasi they have
The original one.
they have the authentic.
LBS.
You know, it's only one. This one is like franchise, di ba? Maraming.
Yeah, but I mean, you know, like,
Parang siya yung ano ba? Nag-start. Oh, Homer?
Did you go to work today, Hodor?
Yeah.
Is it, Jeff?
I know.
What's the score, Jeff? What's the
Yeah,
score?
it's
Yeah, what's the score?
4-5.
Also, they're still up by
Oh,
one?
4-6.
They're down by 2.
They're down.
Oh, crap.
Yeah, but they're
But they're
up.
already up by 2.
Yeah.
I don't expect them to sweep it, but it'll be nice. Because I want them to come back.
Oh, no. Don't come back. That's going to be the 7th game.
I'd rather celebrate it where my hometown is.
No, that's terrific. Finished in New York.
All about the music. Right?
More games.
More games, more money.
Now, Elmer thinks it's rigged.
Baseball's really
Politics. You know, we didn't go to Calapan.
I know. I asked for it. I didn't see it.
No, but I mean, oh yeah, but
We
not
were
to
going to
their
go
place.
visit.
Yeah,
We were
not
going
to
to
their
visit.
place.
But then Ate Rhoda said that she's not feeling well.
That's right. That's right.
Change her mind.
That's right.
Like, oh, I don't feel well.
But you know where Michelle's house is? That's kind of the downtown. But yeah, we didn't get to go to
But
their
theirs
place.
is city. Theirs is just like a different area. Theirs is
Malayo ba
like
yan?
by the beach. Their place is by the beach.
I thought everything there is by the beach.
No, not exactly.
Like in the Boys House, near the beach. Like that.
When's the last time we saw you? When you were still little, huh? Yeah. How
I think
old?
with the sister.
Maybe like,
Ano yan, Koy?
yeah. I told him, have I met her before? I said, yes, when they were still kids.
Ano yan? Ikaw nagawa niya? Kala ko, ano ba?
Kinuha niya sa TikTok.
Kaya naging ano ka na? Baker ka na. Hindi ka na maging
Oh, for me something?
Uy, sinong o-orderan ko ng ano? Ng liquor?
Meron ako. Re-refer.
Sino?
Kuya Ador.
Ador?
Na lang, ah.
Yung umili.
Hindi kasi ayoko magka-problema ka pagka ano eh. Kasi dami kong nire-refer yun pag conversation pa lang
Ano
nababasa
yan,
sa
Koy?
Di ba yung the way siya makipag-converse?
Oh, wow.
What is this?
Hindi siya,
Chicken
ano ba,
dog.
chicken market.
Ano pa talaga si Jess?
Chicken panini girl.
Try mo.
Ang kanya, not the lechon. Not the lechon,
Sarap.
but the belly.
Is it good? Try mo. Para matry ko rin.
Belly.
Healthy, healthy.
Sabi
Kasi nag-lechon ako dati eh.
Kasi yung...
Hindi na?
Hindi
Hindi na, bakit?
Last Christmas nagkasakit ako, di ba?
Oh,
Hindi ako,
yeah.
hindi ako,
Kasi marami ng order eh.
ayaw ko na.
nag-order siya, kaya ayaw niya mag-order.
Nagpingi nga ng ano, salad.
Salad daw.
Do you want avocado or no?
Yeah.
I keep eating ano, carbs.
No.
Ako din na wanna be skinny like Minnie.
Just take the special medicine.
Oh, okay na? Okay na?
He doesn't even have it anymore.
Mom, that's it? Mom, that's it?
May darating pa, bisita.
Yeah? Yeah.
She's better than me now. I mean, she runs.
I run. You believe that?
It's like we reverse role.
I know, you're more active before.
He's,
Now I'm like,
Like,
now he's,
I can't
he's
run.
injured.
Because you're injured, you're too much.
so much injury.
Like I was telling Elmer, like he's super active now. I said, you're doing too much. I said,
Pansit na masarap.
injured and
It'll
you're
be
not
like, it'll be like me. You're going to turn 55.
able to do
No,
it.
54.
He's super, active. He's not just riding, he's doing like the
hiking, so wala lang ang
indoor cycling in
No way,
parks
really?
where he goes round
Yeah.
and round and round. Like, and it's funny that he goes, he's supposed to go east, going to work, he goes west, and then he works at 10, right, 10 a.m. And he goes to Carson first, towards my work area. And that's why on Fridays I told him, just drop me off if you're on your way there. So,
Wait, why does he go there for?
he does the indoor because
Indoor
now he
biking.
said, oh my gosh, my face, mas pa rin more vein than me. Gosh, I'm getting older because of all this sun, exposure. So I'm gonna do indoor cycling, So he does the
Oh,
biking.
there's nothing here around here for indoor? Wala.
Well, there's in Carson, like
No, there's no really indoor.
No
for
indoor
biking.
here?
no, there is indoor. I'll show you. It's called Velo. V-E-L-O. Velo. Velo. Like some kind of gym, but it's like It's like you go around circles.
Is that fun though?
I guess
Oh,
it's like
really?
fun, doing it. He goes every day.
I still like hiking, but I don't have time. You know what I mean? Like it takes 2 hours, right? To like,
I think this is
yeah.
Turkish.
Walk over. I want shirt. I have a 10,000 steps minimum
Or Kentucky.
every day.
Wow.
So I do every day.
10,000. Ilang oras yan? 1 hour? 2 hours? Plus you walk the dog, right?
So you guys have a good time here?
Angel, I walk with Angel. Angel the
Lot
one
to
that
do, huh? Everything so far, too. I like the weather down there.
Yeah.
Better than the person who's running.
That's why I think when I run like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, I'm really tired. It's like more than 1 hour walking or 1 hour hiking. So I do that before I go to work. So now I'm wide awake.
Nice in there, huh?
Paano ka nag-walk? Treadmill?
No, but it's Spain.
Walk? Oh yeah, I take a run. I just run to the park.
A lot of new buildings.
Run to the park, run back.
Si Angel din eh.
But it's more,
Yeah, Angel runs too, right?
it's more luxury. It's like they cater
Kumain
to
ko run pa.
the
Kasi
luxury.
yung mga aso, I run with the aso. That's why, parang exercise din sa kanila than me.
Buffet, it's the only like
But mabilis yung
50
aso.
bucks.
I'm just a slow runner, you know, like,
Si Borna, nag-walk kami
Right?
ng
Buffets
loka.
are expensive.
Tinakbo niya.
The Caesar. It's a regular buffet. There's still the 40.
Oh, there's
There's the 40. But the Filipino ones are like $29.99.
Filipino ones.
Filipino ones. But like sports, it's like bacchanal.
Yeah.
because of the seafood, that's why. What's your favorite place so far?
Yeah, we're doing good so far. He said he likes the weather. He likes the weather.
Oh, yeah. But there's a lot to see in New York.
You guys go to the
lot of
Madison
walking.
Square Garden? When Trump was holding his rally? Of course. I got her this time.
You got this stuff now? Now? You
Well,
better.
well, you know, she's doing whatever is best for the country. She thinks that Trump is more strength.
I'm scared of a
because
war. And Trump is stronger to fight those crazy people.
Crazy.
Yeah,
Oh,
they
really?
don't, yeah. And that's why they say, if I'm gonna bomb you, they believe me.
Masyado na yung rampant na yung crossing the border.
I know. Ayoko na yung, that's why that's enough. But they said a lot of the kids,
Democrat.
they believe
Nice switch.
Oh,
Because I used to
Jay.
be Democrat.
Because
May nalokaan ako lima. Sabi ko,
the Project 2025, they believe the
They
lie.
would always be
they believe it.
that was before. But
Believe
right now, sabi ko,
hang out
ayan.
with him.
Remember, you want
Why
to
they
now,
got
you gotta trust your,
What are you salad?
But
you gotta trust your stuff.
I said, do you want to go to war? Baka nag-draft pa kayo.
really, when these words comes out, he's just very open.
And I think they got
Sila sa'yo, ikaw dapat.
I know they said to me,
We're out from Guam. We just stop straight out. We don't mess around.
Manila, brainwash na ako.
So like the border's bad, and you say bad things about the border.
Okay, Kamala.
What?
Sabi na,
Crazy.
magiging
I don't know.
dictator si Trump.
I rather
Wala
not
nang
vote. If you're gonna
democracy.
vote for Kamala, you better not vote. I told my kids, if you're voting for Kamala, you better not vote.
We're talking about politics.
Oh, the kids are all.
Get rid of their voting, get rid of it.
Well, there's a lot of people still for Kamala, but you know.
Don't talk about politics.
Yeah, all of them are all. They're most of them.
Remember yung sinabi niya rin well, first of all, with the abortion.
Yeah.
For abortion.
Second of all, change, even if you're a prisoner, you want to be a woman, then, they'll pay for
And
it.
the immigration's number one. It's too much.
Yeah. And then all these,
Criminals, right?
how Trump was saying that they're the illegals are the criminals,
I know.
the rapists.
Yeah. There's more crime in New York
I
than
mean,
want
LA.
all
Trump to
they
win.
say is that
Trump is a felon. You know, he's an outlaw, whatever crap. I said, you know, I mean, you're not voting for personality. Who cares if he's like that? But what he's doing for the country, what he's platform,
Yeah, look at what, look at the policy. Look at the damn policy.
Yeah, we need a tough, we
Nobody's
need a
perfect.
tough president right now.
Perfect, right?
Not
You're gonna
crazy
have-
war right now. We need a tough president.
you know what?
Patay tayo kung
Yeah, yeah,
kumala.
when he was
Diba?
here in
She was
California.
the general,
Wood is
attorney general.
He was
mega
like
church,
super old,
right?
right?
So
And she's
the
so
last
young.
Sunday that I attended
Yeah,
to,
to rise.
And if
our
you listen to what
pastor
he has to say,
is like really
Trump.
he didn't fix wrong.
She's like a robot.
The way he poured the
salad, she just
scriptures in
needs
the
to dress
Bible.
it.
Pro-life.
Word salad,
All
what
are
is
like
it? Gaslighting all the
Oh,
time.
Without saying the word Trump.
The list
Trump
that
is winning in the battleground states. For sure, 5/7.
You sure?
Trump might.
Which one?
Well, it-
Pennsylvania?
It depends on all
Pennsylvania,
the swing states.
Arizona, Nevada, only
Arizona.
Michigan and Wisconsin for Kamala, but it's like 0.4.
But then when you watch CNN,
Very, very
Kamala's
close.
winning.
Close.
But they always say that because
They
when
always
they
say that,
cheat,
'cause they-
when they cheat, then you're like, oh yeah, he's winning.
They're such cheaters.
Did you hear about? Did you hear about what they were doing in Washington?
oh my God,
They were burning the ballot.
Oh my God.
Why? How is that possible? It's allowing that.
My God.
I don't know, because it's mailing ballots, right? So
Why? But
it's just sitting
that's
there.
illegal. Why are
so
they
somebody
doing
votes.
that?
But I love that earring though. Like I really believe that the earring, the Nova earring,
Yeah.
that's why when they were doing the debate, if you notice she didn't even tackle or something, she didn't laugh.
Oh, because she had
Paying attention to what Obama is telling her.
she has a microphone in the
Yeah, oh yeah.
or,
One time, you know why? Because she was doing this, I don't know why she's doing the turkey, like how to prepare turkey. And it started ringing.
Oh
He
no.
said, wait a minute. And you know, she didn't have the...
That's what they were saying,
the-
yeah.
so it's weird.
How are you going to lead when you have to have someone tell you what to say?
I really think, and so people said, Doris, you know, she's a lawyer. You know, I think she has early signs of dementia.
Oh no, another
I think so.
one?
I think so.
We already Biden.
You know, unless she's alcoholic, or she has, you know, she's drug addict. Like, for some reason, she can't comprehend, you know. I mean, and then if it wasn't Obama, she wouldn't know what
No, it's a lot of pressure being a president, right? It's like, can't imagine, like all that pressure. Everybody wants to talk to you.
I mean, I wanted a woman president.
different
Yeah, why
angles,
not?
you know?
Even, right? I want a woman
Oh, I like
president.
the other girl. The one.
No, Tulsi Gabbard.
Oh, no, she's, you know, she's Republican now.
Yeah, but that's what she's a better speaker. I like her. If I'm gonna have first woman, I want
She
her.
debated Kamala, and she blew out Kamala.
Yeah.
I like JD Vance. Will be the next president.
JD Vance a better speaker.
He's very, he's so good.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If Trump becomes senile, at least we got Jesus.
Yeah. Or if he gets assassinated, then we have JD.
I think what the left is gonna do is they're gonna say, like, let's say he wins the election, they're gonna say you're insurrectionist. You
Yeah.
can't come to the White House, so they're gonna block him.
Yeah.
I mean, oh yeah, they're gonna
So then,
block him.
so then JD will have to do it.
And JD will have to do it. We'll see. God, I'm praying, my God. But I asked God. I said, you know, God,
Whatever
I
is
don't
meant
know.
to be,
Yeah,
right?
I don't know. You know.
What is the right answer?
So,
Yeah, I know. Because I told Dad, whatever happens is meant to be, right?
I know, but we can't allow it. I mean, because you know
Not allowed.
what Democrats are doing, right? So they're getting this illegal immigrant and they're putting him in the battleground state. So they'll have all these elections. They're gonna win the election. If they win the election now, for sure, they're gonna be all the Democrats.
Are you saying that they put them in those battleground states specifically?
Getting them like expedited citizenship. That's what they're doing.
Why?
Why do you think they want the illegal immigrants here? Why do you think so? It's for voting.
Because it's,
But they're not United States citizens. You're only supposed to
They're
vote.
expediting. And remember too, the California don't even check for ID.
I know, they
Anyone
don't.
can
I
vote.
know, it's
Why
weird.
don't they check? Why don't they check? I don't know why.
I mean, well, why do you not check?
That's why I said
California is always Democrats.
That's why I said Newsom, he lost my
Oh,
vote now.
no way.
Ever since since that banning the ID, I said, okay, I know you're corrupted now for
Oh,
sure.
big time. He's Nancy Pelosi's
Now.
nephew.
Oh,
What would you think that, yeah, she's Nancy Pelosi's nephew.
I didn't know that.
Yes. Yes. San Francisco.
And Kamala is from San
Pelosi was,
Francisco.
she was the house speaker. She was way up there. You know how she has the House and the Senate? So she was the house speaker. Way up there. When she went to Thailand, you know, the Chinese, they were like, oh, she comes over there, and we're gonna attack Taiwan.
So I was surprised me that you're Trump now, because I know, remember? When Jeff were like,
Well, I told him I still don't like Trump, but if you choose between Kamala and Trump, I'll pick Trump because of the safety of our nation right now.
so you're not voting for Trump.
Yeah, not for his personality, but what he can do. Yeah. What he can do. Yeah.
People, yeah. Oh, yeah.
He's not ethical.
And when he speaks, God, he needs to tone it down. He rambled
Yeah, look at what they call her. She's stupid. You know how you use the words?
Wonderful. He's so wonderful.
Who? Come on.
Vocabulary, no. And that's why people get annoyed. So my patients, I'm
And you're not supposed to talk about that. Oh my God.
I'm getting it. I know.
Bawal.
I know.
Even the VA, bawal yan.
So one of my patients, I told her, so I hate doctor. He's so balanced. Okay. So what is Kamala? What do you like about Kamala? And he thought about it.
She's not a
Okay,
balance.
I said, spit it out. And then my patient goes, well, she's sincere. And then I laughed so hard. And I said, why do you think they went on? And she goes, no, she's changing her mind. She said, wait a minute. But I hate Trump, Doris. I said, yeah, you can hate Trump.
Yeah.
But you have to look at the policy. Look at the platform. And look what he's done in the country. It wasn't Trump that did that 4 years ago.
Remember when we were in the
Remember?
car? We went on a trip.
Yeah.
And so all the kids were
4
in
years
the
ago.
car.
What's
And I'm driving like 15 vehicles. And then I started talking about. Were you Trump? This is 2020, right?
Okay, I'm gonna tell your mom is cooking. Your mom's baking. This one. Where? She made that. Oh, yeah.
He's like the grossest guy. And I'm like, oh, fake news.
4 years ago. Me and you were like,
Oh, remember in the bus?
We're in the
Jeff and Leona and who was it? Joanna? And they were so mad at Jeff. I said, oh, yeah, it's coming.
they hated us. Even the kids, they were really brainwashed.
Yeah.
They were brainwashed.
But not anymore. My kids are not. And I told Roy, if you don't want to go, just get the ballot and then I'll be the one to...
Leona.
Yeah, you can sign it
Hey,
anyway.
Leona. Are you gonna vote for Trump?
Hell yeah!
Yeah. So what do you like about Kamala then?
Yeah.
Leave me alone.
You guys,
Come on, I want to sit down and have a
yeah.
nice
What is
conversation.
Kamala gonna do with this country?
This is deja vu. Remember that bus? Trip when we were in Zion? And you guys were all like, it's like deja vu all over again.
You better not vote if you're gonna vote for Kamala.
He already voted early.
Did you hear? They burned it. They burned the ballot.
Early.
Yeah. Because, Oregon is a good state. Yeah. And they're burning it. They're burning
No,
Trump's
because-
ballot.
The thing is, it's brainwashed that he was. No, wait,
No, he's gonna be the opposite. He tells you, oh, you're brainwashed. But Trump, don't all believe this.
Hey, should we put on the debate?
Oh, there's a debate?
There's no debate.
No, not that debate. People debating about the presidency. That's a fun watch. We should just do that instead of this.
Yeah, because then everybody's gonna start like going at each other.
But let's fight.
She said she doesn't want to stay.
No, remember
Sabi
before,
niya, I don't want to
2
stay.
years ago, they're really like,
Leona, why?
5 of them Trump. But
Now
right
she's
now,
not sure.
No, they were
They were Biden.
Biden, yeah.
But right now, every time I say like, see, now those the one that you don't listen. And then now,
But think about it, Tito. Why did RFK turn around? Why did he become a Republican? Why is he supporting Trump? RFK. RFK.
Robert F. Kennedy.
Kennedy.
Robert Kennedy.
hirap pala pag talaga, ano,
Nagbabasa pa naman ng Johnny yan. Ano tayo yan? Hindi nagbabasa.
You know what's so funny? It's like a lot of people these days, they don't like Trump. They hate him. Like, then you ask them, they're like, oh, he's, you know, like you say, they're crazy.
There's no in between with Trump. You either hate him or you love him. But you see how great the people are with Trump? And that's why he said, wait, Trump needs to tone it down. You know, in his speech. But the thing is, if he tones it down, then all his love, his haters, they love Trump for what he is, for when he speaks like that. They love that, you know, they love that about him. That he can say it how it is. He's not a politician. He's a politician before. So, remember Kamala becomes
It's all word salad.
remember, you see Kamala, he
Gaslighting.
changes her accent.
Yeah.
When
Sometimes
she's
she's
talking to
black,
black,
sometimes she's
talking to, she even became a pastor, like, you know, like talking about
no, she sounds like Obama. You know, when Obama speaks, she tries to talk like Obama.
Well, because I told you the earring.
Maybe,
He's
maybe,
putting
yeah.
it with Obama.
But, you know,
And
she's learning it from
Obama said it,
Obama.
like, you know, there will be a day where I can just talk and then, you know, like, so that's exactly what she's saying, that she's talking, but it's somebody else is listening to with the nobody.
But Obama deported a lot of people during his presidency, not like this one.
This one
But you think about it, that's so much corruption if you're gonna bring people into Bible. So why would you go for a party that doesn't?
no, what really, remember the North Carolina, they were giving $750.
I know, that's so ridiculous.
And then, not only that, they're gonna have to pay them in a year. And if they don't pay, then something that they're gonna put something on their house, something like that. I didn't really read the whole thing, but on the fine print that they have to pay within a year.
And then they give the legal immigrants free
lot,
housing.
a lot.
They give them prepaid cards. They give them everything. And then they only give $750 to the, you know, the
Victims of the hurricane.
You know, how sad is that?
Everybody got mad about that.
This is too much for me. This is too much.
Uh-oh, they're talking
It's not even about us. It's about kids.
I'm scared of a war, World War III.
Oh, yeah.
Right? You guys are close to China. Oh my God. Right? I mean, that's the target because all the bases are there, right?
No, she wants to get into that. She doesn't know that.
Yeah. Yeah.
You guys don't talk about that in the film?
When Korea joined, I said, oh no, this is a world war. Diba? Sumama na si Korea.
You guys support the U.S.
Kay Trump, I mean, kay Putin. Pumunta na sila sa, as North Korea went to Ukraine. Right? Why would they do that? Think about it.
America supported Ukraine. What Putin got?
Filipinos are in the middle of it.
But then South Korea sent their troops, right? World, right? World war. I'm so scared.
And you think that America will no, we're not
No, they're gonna draft us, and draft is all our kids' age.
Oh, that one.
Oh yeah.
They want to draft girls too, you know that, right? That's why I said I'm voting for Trump because I don't want a war. Number one, I don't want a war, and I don't want all this immigration. Too much, too much.
Everyone wanted, ang dami daw ni Sister Diego sabi, Oh, can I go to New York or to ano, sabi daw dun sa police. Sabi nung
Masarap ba na masarap?
sabi nung police, yeah, first time anywhere. Pwede na yun.
Ah, no.
Sabi nung kasi natin na nagbayad.
I know. Si Eileen. Why don't you just sneak through Mexico? What is better?
Like these people that
I know. See?
legal way.
And not just that, she's not even a criminal. They're criminals come in.
And then these people like, okay, you can go anywhere.
Mga gangs, right? Gang bangers, mga ibang gang. Oh my God.
Yeah, you did a good job. You did it. Man, I can't wait actually when I came here. I'm gonna find out from still Democrat.
I still don't like Trump, but I think he's better for the country right now.
Look at the past performance.
That he's not like
the last
a
4
very
years was
good
terrible.
man, but
And when Trump was going, there was no war.
Between the two, like, you know, what are the things? May mga points siya eh. 5.1.
yeah.
And then, hindi niya sinasabi na, ano ang sinabi niya doon na yung ugali niya is like this,
Stay where
but
you are.
you compare ano yung
It's gonna
destiny.
get worse.
They're both
You wanna
this
It's like Duterte. Diba? Si Duterte, very tough yun. And then all the corruption, a lot of it was gone, right? Because pero they have to be scared of somebody like that, right? Dito, maraming corruption, we need to get rid of
And
it.
I always pray that we don't know.
Well, he saved Trump from getting killed.
Why?
Twice.
Oh, and you know what the... Oh, he did it himself. He set it up that so we can look good. I said, are you gonna get your ear? You know, like, what if they miss?
I know.
No?
No, I thought the Democrats did it. I told them I think it's conspiracy. They're doing it.
Stop it. Why are they
Yeah, twice now, right?
Because they're gonna drain the swamp.
Yeah.
They're gonna get rid of the
The United States is becoming kind of like corrupted.